Hey, here is our huge box we just got from Illinois. Oh my goodness. Grace, is that so exciting? Okay, watch Mommy. I'm going to cut the box. Okay, I think I'm doing a Wendy here. Okay, let's turn the video off for a minute before I kill myself. Okay. Check it out. Come on. Guys, where are you going? Are you leaving me to do this all by myself? Oh, really? What is it? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at it. It's a bumblebee. Oh, we love stuff like this. Riley, are you taking this for your own? I think it was meant to be shared with your siblings. We're opening this in bed because we don't have any heat here this morning. Grace, come on. What is it? Okay, Riley's grabbing the beehive. Oh, it's a platypus. Oh my goodness. Trevor, Grace. Oh, Grace likes the platypus. Okay. Oh my goodness. Aww. It is. I love my Italian Greyhound. Merry Christmas. Oh, this is kind of blurry. Merry Christmas, puppies, to Maureen and the Chow Hounds. Wow. And a sticker. Oh, a bunch of stickers. Riley says he doesn't care. Oh boy, more stickers. Okay. Oh, it's a card. Okay, let's see who this is from. Okay. I'm going to put this down for a second. Well, no. Riley's loving the beehive. You get that beehive, buddy. You get it. You get it. Oh, look at this. A beautiful red fox. And it's from Neen and Zed. From Nino and Zeta or Zeta. Aww. What a lovely card. Thank you so much. I will read this when I put this down. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh boy. Oh, blanket. Weenie blanket. A blue and a pink one. Oh my gosh, there's still more stuff in here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, it's a Christmas stocking for each dog. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is awesome. A Christmas stocking for Riley and for Harmony and Mozart and Grace, here's your Christmas star. Don't kill him. Don't kill him, honey. She's like, oh, that's my Christmas stocking. I'm getting it, Mom. Grace, be nice to the... Oh, well, I guess that's what dogs are supposed to do. Grace. Okay, you can have your stocking. Aww. And Trevi, here's yours. Yeah, I told you my dogs are camera shy. Trevi and Vegas. Riley, this is Vegas's. Here. Oh, that's Harmony's. Where's Riley's? Riley, there's Riley's. There's the Roo. There's the Riley Roosters. Get it. No. Whose are you getting? You're getting Vegas's. Yes. Moe. Moe. Oh, God. What do you think? Riley's getting in the box. I'm going to have to send Riley to somebody. Riley, do you want to go to Illinois? There you go. Riley's in the box. Yay, Ryle. Yay, Ryle. Well, thank you so much. This is the most awesome Secret Santa presents we have ever received in our whole entire life. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. And the blankets are huge. And here's Miss Vegas in the box. Vegas, are you gonna, oh, honey, be careful. Are you gonna take a little nappy in there, Biggie? Okay. She says, ooh, I like the blankets. Vegas says, thank you, Secret Santa. I'm warm in a box of toys and a huge blanket. And then there's a pink one, too. This is huge. I could put this on me. Oh, Vegas is in her little cocoon. Okay, this is it. This is the end. Goodbye. Happy Secret Santa. Thank you. We love you. Bye.